Celebrating in style, unveiling the joy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video where we'll be diving into the vibrant world of English phrases, focusing today on celebrating in style. This phrase is a sparkling gem in the English language, often used to express joy and grandeur in celebration. Our goal is to unwrap this expression, making it easy and fun for English language learners like you. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Celebrating in style is a phrase that encapsulates the idea of celebrating an occasion in a luxurious or special manner. It's not just about marking an event. It's about doing it with flair, elegance, or uniqueness that makes the occasion memorable. This could involve lavish parties, exquisite attire, or anything that adds a touch of sophistication or distinctiveness to the celebration. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Whether it's a personal achievement, a national holiday, or a milestone event, celebrating in style elevates the significance of the occasion. Here's how you can use it. In personal achievements, after passing her exams with flying colors, she decided to celebrate in style with a gourmet dinner. In professional milestones, the company celebrated its 10th anniversary in style, hosting a gala for all its employees. In social gatherings, they celebrated their wedding anniversary in style, renting a yacht for a sunset cruise. While celebrating in style adds a layer of grandeur to descriptions, it's essential to consider the context. The phrase implies extravagance or uniqueness, so it's best used in situations where the celebration is indeed out of the ordinary. It's also a reflection of personal or cultural values, as what constitutes style can vary greatly from one individual or society to another. We hope this video has illuminated the beautiful phrase, celebrating in style, for you. English is filled with expressions that add color and emotion to our conversations, and understanding them deeply enriches our communication. Remember, celebrating in style isn't just about the grandeur. It's about making moments special in a way that resonates with you. Thank you for joining us, and keep exploring the wonders of the English language.